Well, here it is. Got the alignment done like I showed in the video the other day, and it is back at home now. As you can see, that kind of the altered wheelbase look now. Well, I put more caster into it, moved the front control arms forward. I made a couple little test hits on it on slicks with like 9 pounds of air in the tires, and on the drag rails both. First couple pulls we made, I was on like 5 pounds of boost, and I was like, oh my gosh, this thing's ridiculous. Like, it just blew the tires off as soon as I got on it, which it has a 456 gear still. But I mean, it just blew the tires off as soon as I got on it, even with the slicks and radials aired down either way. And so then I took the charge pipe off from the turbo to the throttle body. So I wanted to try to tune it a little bit on no boost at all, and it was still just as ridiculous. Like, blew the tires off from a roll, from a dead stop. It would pull, it would transfer weight about, it picked the front end about 4 inches, you know, not off the ground, but you know, the fender up from the tire about 4 inches, and it kind of lifted the back end about 1 inch on the launch. So I think it's going to do pretty good on traction at the track, but definitely needs a prep surface. Figured out what the surge was at idle. It was the I had the overrun fuel cut on for the station wagon, so every time it went above 1100 RPM with the with no foot on the throttle, it would cut fuel. So anyway, here I'll crank it up for a second.